English or Japanese? This is a cat can. He eats 2 cans a day, max. But I've tried to give him less and less. Maybe 1.5, less than 2 cans がいいと思います。そして、オープン。はい。そしてね、これがモカちゃんお皿です。Dish for Mocha. So he need to put some medication for pain because he had arthritis. This is enzyme. So this is the slippery elm. So to make his poop go smooth. And this is the painkiller. And this is a salt. Each cat can have sprinkling, enzyme, and then half of spoon. And this is also sprinkling, and put some little bit mineral salt. Like this.
Like a pinch?
Yeah. Hi. So this is mix and put in the can. I think, okay, maybe give like this one time. Okay. そしてね、これは This is another painkiller medication. Twice a day, directly to his mouth. ここの口の横にシュッと差し込んでピュッて入れます。でこれはギューってやって0.3 で maybe when he's lie down こうちょっと holding his head and then put this one to his mouth and shoo. Okay. And tastes good, so he's okay with this, but twice a day, not including
for
food.
Pain.
So pain. So those are good medication, no side effect. So, はい。で
What time of day for feeding?
Nighttime he's so active, like after 10 he start awake and begging food. So most of he eats a lot in the nighttime until 10 to 12. Before I go to bed, I give him like three times. Maybe can give one time a lot, but he gets old, he cannot eat one time so much and get dry, so I give a little by little. And then in the midnight he may wake you up one time or twice, and then that's the headache. But maybe early in the morning, like after 5:30 or 6, he starts sleeping like this until afternoon. So morning time he does not eat, and he start awake after 3 and ask food. So start living a little by little. Maybe you open the can late afternoon for dinner. Maybe 2. I cannot find out the rhythm yet.
Okay, but he'll let you know. He'll let us know.
Yeah, he asks
Okay.
the food.
Okay.
And then once he start asking food, he will not stop. Meow, meow, meow. Keep on meow, meow, meow. So loud.
Okay.
And then, okay. じゃあ、cut.